Good day, investors. Welcome to the 21st of November 2014 daily market report. Trade for the day is called Old Mutual. Code is OML and the last traded price was 34.21 cents. Action here is to do a short from a high level to a low level to be traded. Entry level will be 34.55 on the dotted blue line here. Stop loss to be used is 34.97. And the target to be traded to is 33.50 on the green line here. Open trades at this moment and a new trade. First rand was a new trade that was opened yesterday on the 20th of November. Other open trades are Standard Bank, Sanlam, Shoprite, RMI. Trades that's been closed yesterday was SA Breweries on a short sell and it was closed yesterday on a profit. Looking at the top 40 index, this is the top 40 shares on the JSE. The blue line is the index movement, and as you can see, they went down, broke the 5-day and the 20-day moving average downwards. Now, I just want to show you something on this 5-day and 20-day moving average. A cross happened on the moving averages that's consisting that there could be more downside due. But look at the up cross there, that was a positive movement, and that was now a negative movement. Currently, looking at the Dow Jones, they closed on Thursday evening 33 points positive on a level of 17,719 points. It's just above this green line here. So they did close a bit positive due to great data that came from America or to the US markets. Looking at the Bollinger Band, still in a positive cycle upwards, no identification as yet for a major downside. Looking at the futures, they currently very flat, about 10-15 points positive for late afternoon opening at 4:30 on Friday. Looking at the J200, lost a lot of ground yesterday due to resources that went down. And as you can see, there is the downward movement. I'm going to call up my Bollinger Bands. Broke this 23.6% down on the top 40 index, starting to tell me that this could be a small recovering downside happening after the positive recovery. And next low was now 43,784 points. Now if that one is going to be broken downwards, next support is close to the 43,347 points. But let's keep a close eye on this specific movement at this moment, where the market movement will happen. Let's go and look at your Shoprite. Shoprite did follow this move downwards after this double top that was formed on the level of 170, coming down on a big support of 161.57, currently trading at 162.49. At any time of this green line, or this 23.6% on the Fibonacci is going to be broken, or the price level of 161.57, more downside could be due. Looking at Mr. Price, also starting to lose momentum. Now, need to keep a close eye on this 23.6% on the Fibonacci, and that level will be about 233.01 cent. The green line of the Bollinger Band in the middle is also important to follow for the short term. In any case, it breaks it down, more downside could be due, but this could be also in a positive channel, just be testing that level and break up again. So keep it close on Mr. Price as well. Looking at Woolies, now Woolies did similar, came down here from your 82 rand level, currently trading at 78 rand 24, and also coming down now on this pattern, testing the middle Bollinger Band. If broken, next lows on the 23.6% of 77 rand needs to be tracked closely. Could it be a bounce and pick up again? That's the big question now. But still in the positive channel, testing this channel now at the bottom, could bounce up or start breaking it down. Looking at your MTNs, now MTN is still in a negative channel between the green and the purple channel, going downwards. Tested as 218. Currently trading at 218 levels, and now the big question will be, can you break this or test this and break up, or start breaking this down? But as you've seen, it's still in a negative channel. Vodacom still in a sideways pattern, no big movements after each counterpart, the MT, actually lost a lot of value. Just want to call up Telkom. Now Telkom, also in the index, you can basically see it's still in a positive channel going up between the green and the red, and had a high of about 66 level. Now it's back at 65 level. Need to keep a close eye on this one for this lows here, approximately at 63 rand. If broken, more downside could be back to the 60 rand level. Keep the high on this high here, and that high is about 66.24 in this positive channel. But let's see what the momentum is going to do first. Looking at your banking shares, Barclays Bank came from a high point here from 180, currently trading at 176, and what you need to do now is move your Fibonacci a bit higher. I'm going to show you how to do it so you can actually get more clarification. So I'm going to use this Fibonacci from these lows here. There's a lot of support, and I'm going to take it to that high because that high was the previous high and it came down from that high. So here's a confirmation to you on the 23.6% and the middle of the Bollinger Band, that's a green line, that this level of 173.14 is very important to track in the short term, even if the share trades at 176. Anytime it past that level downwards, more downside could be due, but the share is still in a positive channel. That will be your indication that the channel will start changing negative. Standard Bank, still in a positive channel as well, so also a lot of tops here. So we need to see if this is just a important level 138.85 broken up, new highs, breaking this 23.6% on the 135.65 down, and breaking the green line of the Bollinger Band. More downside could be due easily back to the 150 levels in the short term. Looking at your Imperial, Imperial did very well. Also traded close to the 200 rand levels yesterday, about 199, and as you can see, there's more upswings than downswings in this specific share as well, so more upwards than downwards movements. Look at this, still in the positive channel between the green and the red, and no indication as yet that this share is going to start falling downwards as yet. CFR, now CFR was very stable yesterday, very flat in the share price. This share moved about 1 cent, so indication is still here, break this 95.62, then more downside could be due here in this purple channel going downwards. But in the short term, still positive in the downward channel between the green and the red going up here. So let's keep a close eye on this one as well. Enjoy your Friday, and news report will be sent on Monday.